Welcome to this video, and this is Shedrack on the channel, and this is Let's Get Business TV, a place where we teach you ethical online and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor by like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever a video like this is released, you first to be notified. Okay, having said that, we are on this third series on this ongoing series on the InstantVTU relaunch. Okay, so on the previous series, we already talked about register an account and how you can fund your wallet in the platform. So if you have not watched the series, kindly do so, because this is an ongoing series on the platforms on how to make use of it. In this particular video, we are going to look at how you can do a recharge. Okay, but for a recap, for you to fund your wallet is very easy. Once you log into your platform in the account system, which I'm going to link a link in the description of this video for you to be able to have access to register on the platform. So once you are registered, you'll be prompted to a notification telling you about bank to pay. You can see it is Diamond Bank, Access Bank. Okay, Diamond Access Bank, unique recharge solution. The account number is displayed on the screen. Okay, you can also see it as a scroll. After your welcome to your dashboard, your name, you see the scroll bar. That particular account is what you have to pay to be able to get your wallet funded. Once you make a transfer into this account, you quickly WhatsApp support on this line, which is 081 36 then admin is going to credit you right away. Okay, you can also click the WhatsApp icon there. It takes you directly to WhatsApp. So after you have found your wallet, you can see my account is there, 575 naira at the moment. So you can see the total referred is talking about people that have referred on the network, on the platform so far. This is a new account and I'm using it for demonstration purposes. So other of my accounts, there are so many people that have already engaged in the network. So please do us a favor by also getting other people to use the platform, because it's very flexible, as I'm going to be showing you on the series of this training. So the next thing is the total sum, means the total transaction you have done in the platform. The API user means the current membership level you are on the platform. So having seen this, then how do you recharge your phone? It's very simple. You either click on the left hand side where you see airtime top up, or you scroll down, you can see buy airtime. So I'm going to click on buy airtime. So just simply click on buy airtime. Once you click on buy airtime, you'll be prompted to where you are to start initiating the order process. Okay, so it's very simple. All you have to do is to airtime tab, means what is the kind of airtime you want to buy. Just select VTU, or you can select AWOOF. Then select network there. This is the MTN. So I'm going to select the phone number which you want to vend this airtime. It's very important to enter the right number. Don't enter a number that is not right. So the next thing is the amount in which you want to top up. So here I'm just going to enter 100 naira. The chargeback bonus simply means the amount that the system is going to credit to you back after the transaction is executed. So you just click on purchase now. Then you can see the item purchase confirmation. MTN, the network is MTN, phone is actually 081 37 that's the phone number. Original amount is 100 naira. Chargeback bonus is 3 naira. So what it means is this: when I do this transaction successfully, I'll be credited with 3 naira for doing this transaction. Then the commission rate is 3%. You can see it there. Status is correct. It means everything is correct. So what I have to do is to add my pin. My pin is actually what I defined when I registered my account. So you can define it. I just use it for demonstration purposes. Okay, so you can change your own to a very good complex one so that you can use it for your transaction. So I'll just click on proceed. So once I click on proceed, the system will authenticate the transaction and see whether it is okay. And once everything is fine, it will tell you successful, transaction successful. You have sent MTN airtime worth of 100 naira to 081 36 7446. So that's it, guys. Now once you have sent this airtime, it means that the airtime, you can see it as I'm talking, the airtime just the phone which this line was subscribed to. So that's exactly how it is, guys. This is InstantVTU. InstantVTU means once you you top up, you see the airtime delivered, or even data or a cable subscription is automatic. So that's it. You can see the sound is knocking in the phone in which the line is top up. So you can do it as a vendor, you can do it as a reseller, you can do it as a personal user. Okay, so once you have top up your line, you can go back to your dashboard. If you go to your dashboard, you can see that your balance will decrease, and then you'll be able to see that you are no longer I'm no longer having 400 and 575 naira, but rather I'm going to have 475 naira. And another thing that is very important I wish to emphasize here is this: the system isolates the amount you're making as a commissions to another sections, which is very important. So I'm going to tell you how the system isolates the commission levels, how you know what you are making in the process when you are recharging or doing data subscriptions. How is the system calculating the commissions? Where is this my commission going to? That's going to be the next episode in this training. So please subscribe and like, share this video, because when we are releasing the update on this series, you'll be notified right away. Please kindly subscribe and share and like this video, and then of course stay in the channel for updates on this, because every 3 days or thereabouts we release videos that talk about telecom, cryptocurrency trading, and the other general ICT business, even digital marketing system. Now I want you to do me a favor: register right away in this platform, which is InstantVTU.com.ng. use the link in the description of this video to register and then get started. And if you want to own a portal like this in InstantVTU, it's very simple. All you have to do, because we have not yet talked about it, but it's very simple, all you have to do is to click on home. When you click on home, you'll be directed to the home page. Then on that home page, you're able to click on partner. Just click on partner once you're on the home page. Okay, because people are asking, how are we going to own a portal? How do we start? I want to own this kind of portal. Once you're on the home page, all you have to do is to click on partner. Just click on partner. There is so many packages that will suit you to get started right away, but I'm not going to cover it in this video. I'm just showing you a clip on how you can get started if you want to own a portal like this, because most people that are engaging our channel are people that want to own the business. But if you're a reseller or maybe someone that want to be a vendor, it is right time you start right away, registering right away. So once you click on become a partner, you'll be able to see the partnership features. But we're going to make evaluations, overview of how the partnership works, how you can become a partner, how you can own a portal here. But you can start right away right now. So I believe you have getting value from this video. If you have, please subscribe and like, share this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Remain at the top, because I don't want to see at the bottom. This is Mr. Shedrack, and I want to be at the top. I don't want to be at the bottom, because I don't want to be at the bottom. Thanks and God bless. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.